Hey guys, Kim Wolf here with Affiliate Marketing Informant. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $2,400 plus in one niche. So a really neat way to figure out what is working in affiliate marketing today is to look at affiliate marketing websites that are actually for sale, because this is going to tell you a lot of information about the website, but also the niche. Things like what niches are making money today and how much money they are actually making. So this is a really neat hack that I use all the time. Instead of just thinking, okay, what niche do I want to choose? I think of, okay, what niches are doing really well right now and how much are people actually paying for them? And that's going to give you a lot more insight and an easier and faster way to help you find your own niche. Now, what I love about looking at websites for sale is that they actually release a lot of information about these websites. So that's going to help you understand what it actually takes to make a website like this actually perform. So in this particular case, you can see the website was recently sold. It was created in 2019. It's about 2.5 years old. It's monetized through the Amazon affiliate program, which is called Amazon Associates. The site is actually ranking for 353 plus keywords, and the owner is not spending a lot of time on it. You can see here that he logs in once a month to make sure the site is working well. If we continue to scroll down, you're going to see the performance and the behind the scenes of the Google Analytics. This is actually measuring the data of your website and your performance on Google. Now, obviously, you're going to see that most of the traffic from the site is coming from organic search. So that means this particular site owner is using the SEO strategy, which is search engine optimization. That just simply means that he is optimizing content to rank in Google for free. So his time is spent in the content and making it, but it costs you nothing to actually get your content. When it ranks into Google, if it does, you actually can get free traffic from that to your content, to your affiliate links, so that you make affiliate sales. And so you can see here that the bulk of the traffic is actually coming from organic search. So that's pretty cool. Some additional information that you may find interesting is going to be the top performing posts. So this is going to tell you what content is actually resonating and getting the most traffic to the website. And you can also get information like where the traffic is coming from. In this particular case, most of the website is coming from the United States. Let me just show you one additional hack. There is a way to actually see content into a website. Now, this doesn't work for every website, but it works for most websites that are on a WordPress builder. And the reason I know that is because I'm on a WordPress builder, and WordPress is one of the most preferred website builders to use for your blog and your websites today. So you can actually see with this particular view that there are 40 URLs, the first one being the actual home page of the site, but these are additional 39 topics that this website has targeted, and you can see the actual keywords that he's targeting. So that's actually pretty cool. So you can see that it's in the meditating and meditation niche. It has about 39 posts. Out of those 39 posts, 353 keywords are ranking on Google. And I believe 14 of those keywords are actually on page 1, which is where the bulk of your traffic is going to come from. So we're going to come back over here. The next section you're going to find interesting is going to be probably one of my favorites, is the proof of income. So in this case, you can see how much money the site is making per month. You can see how much total it made per month, and you can actually see some screenshots and some proof that the website actually made money. So what you're going to notice, which is interesting here, is that actually in October 2020, the site was averaging about $200 a month. Obviously, as it got into March of this year, 2021, the money has started to tailor off. Now, any new affiliate is going to look at this and say, okay, well, that's concerning. I don't think this niche can make any money. And that is not necessarily true, because you actually read his statement. The site owner admits he hasn't touched the site in a year. So really, when you are getting a site off of the ground, you do need to continually put content on it if you want it to continually rank for keywords. Because what happens is some of the keywords that you may have been ranking for in October of 2020, you may no longer be ranking for in March or April of 2021 for various reasons. Some common reason can be someone with more site authority has come in and actually targeted that keyword. and they have gotten your spot and pushed you down lower on the list. But that doesn't mean that there's not more opportunity. There always is. There's more opportunity than you have time. And I know that that is a bold statement, but I can tell you I've been in this business long enough to know that no one person can tackle the amount of opportunity that is out there. No 100 people can do that. There are too many opportunities and more opportunities than there is time. So this just tells you that the meditation niche can actually be profitable. I'm going to continue scrolling down to one other section that I thought was really interesting. So this particular website company that manages the sales of this site is the place where you can buy and sell your websites. They run the website through what's called a site buddy analysis. And the interesting thing about this is it's uncovering untapped opportunity. So in this particular case, there are basically 20 products that are out of stock. So in the website, the content is linking out to an affiliate product on Amazon, but it is out of stock. So the people cannot actually buy that. So fix that. You've got 20 links that are there that are hot and live, but they're broken, basically. Fix that, and you can instantly increase your opportunity for more income because you've just fixed those links. So I thought that was really, really interesting. This is probably going to be my favorite section in this particular informational set about the website, because what they do is they actually have a Q&A with the seller, and they ask the seller a bunch of questions that are going to be beneficial to you. So in this particular case, they're asking the business owner, what would he do to actually grow the site? And in this case, he just says he would add more content targeting long tail keywords. Now, keywords are going to be target keywords like meditation. Long keywords are going to be something like how to do meditation in the morning. The more words you add, the longer the keyword set becomes, and it becomes what's called a long tail keyword. And what that does is the more words you add, it adds more opportunity for you to rank. It starts to make the keyword set less competitive, so you have a better chance of actually ranking for it over someone else who is not targeting it or who has less domain authority than you do, etc. So another favorite question of mine is actually how much time do you spend on the site? You're going to see he logged in once a month to update plugins, and you kind of see that in the decline his revenue. So he does need to start posting more. How many articles on the site? Well, I showed you the hack, but he confirms that it's 39 total posts, but I showed you an easy way to actually do that for any site you want. And the last but not least, what expenses are associated to the site? So in this particular case, you can see that it's costing him $10 a year to run the site. So that's super, super cheap because he's using a shared hosting account. When you do that, you buy shared hosting for websites. It just means that you can host more than one website. So when you're in the beginning of your affiliate marketing journey, you only need hosting for one website. It can be really easy to think, okay, I want to buy this service that has, that can give me 10 websites and this one hosting service. You don't actually need that in the beginning. You need to focus on one website, one affiliate niche, and one business in the beginning. Learn how to get that off the ground. Learn how to generate the traffic and the affiliate commissions and the sales. When you do that, then you're ready to scale and make more money. That will be when you could potentially consider going into other niches, building other websites. Now, if this is overwhelming in any way, do remember that you have access, you should have access to this free 12-step action plan that is going to take you step by step and show you exactly how to build an affiliate website like this. Now, let me show you exactly what I mean. So once you get past the choosing the niche part and you choose your topic, you start with step 2, which is going to be building your website. When you click into it, it's going to actually show you step by step how to choose a domain, how to set up your hosting in your domain, how to set up a branded email address, which is going to be something like kim@affiliatemarketinginformant.com. It allows you to have an email address on your website domain and some additional forwarding stuff to make sure you get your emails in a timely manner. The next big step for you is going to be the building your foundation, step 5. This is actually going to help you set up your website. So you're going to set up the hosting, you're going to set up a page builder, you're going to set up your theme, you're going to set it up in an SEO friendly way, optimize it so that Google's can read it. You're going to add your core pages. So you're going to start with a basic website and add some basic pages about you. And you're also going to add the legal stuff. Now, I am going to show you the site, and I'm actually going to show you around the site. And you will see in that site, there are disclaimers that you must have in certain regions, especially if you are in the US. You need a disclaimer on your site saying that you are an affiliate marketer. So this is actually going to give you those disclaimers here ready to go. How cool is that? So you're going to have everything you need to build out your website immediately. And the step 6 is going to be where you actually learn how to create the content for your website. So this is going to show you how to basically, it's going to tell you about SEO. It's going to tell you what that means. It's going to show you how to actually do keyword research. And then it's going to show you how to create a well-written blog post that can not only rank, but can make you a lot of money step by step. So if that doesn't give you everything you need, then I don't know what it is. And if you are not taking advantage of this, then definitely do it. You are missing out on an opportunity, a free opportunity to have everything you need to start the online business that you want, to buy you the things that you want in your life. So how cool is that? Now, one more tip that I want to actually show you is that if you decide the meditation niche would actually be good for you, you could actually consider doing something like this. So this is going to be a done for you niche pack content center. So typically it's called PLR, which is private label rights, but it gives you the rights to take this content and repurpose it for your own business. So instead of starting from scratch, you can actually fast track your way into this niche by using and leveraging done for you content. So in this particular case, you're going to get pre-research keywords that you could actually target on YouTube. You're going to get pre-research keywords, low competition keywords that you can actually target on Google. You're going to get done for you articles. So there's going to be 10 done for you basically blog posts that you can take and repurpose. Now you will want to enhance, adjust, etc., but you can get some training on how to do that. But this gives you the content. You can make it your own, make it a little bit different so that it has the chance of actually ranking on Google. And then you're going to get some additional really helpful content such as lead magnets for giveaways. You're going to learn how you can actually build out an email list. You have that in the action plan training, but you will actually get the content in this scenario. So if this interests you, definitely check out my link below. I'm going to show you how to get access to this particular niche and 9 more niches that can help you choose your niche for the first time, or give you done for you content if you've already chosen a niche but you are struggling with the content part and it is a relevant niche that makes sense, right? So if you're in the health niche, you wouldn't actually want to go and put something about make money online. That's not relevant. But if you're in the health niche, you could potentially add a whole section around meditation. This could be considered a subtopic of health because it is more about the mental health, body health. It is a way to stay healthy. So you could think of it like that. So you have a lot of opportunity when it comes to that. So now let me show you into the site that actually made $2,400 plus. Now it actually made more money than that, because if you remember, the site was actually listed for sale for $2,410. But then if you were to add the $1,500 in monthly commission that it made, it actually totals out to $3,940. So it's almost a $4,000 niche. Now, granted, he hasn't spent any time on it in the last 12 months, which is why he was selling it. So this website is a really good built out website. You can see that this guy, Michael, obviously has been practicing meditation for the past 7 years. He knows his topic, and you will notice that in this content. So that is a very important tip, that when you are writing content about your topic, your goal is not to sell. Your goal is to actually help people understand a topic that they don't already know, help them learn more about the topic that they want to know, and help them answer the questions that they want to know about the topic. So as you scroll down, you're going to start seeing links. Now, these links are very well done because they're going to be a mixture of information to help you learn more about the topic. So in this particular case, it's actually going to link you out to a third-party site. There is no affiliate link on this at all. He's just trying to tell you about a specific yoga posture that you should know about. But if you continue to scroll down, you're going to see another link for the Beginner's Meditation Handbook. Now, this is his content. It opens up into a new page where it's going to be a guide. This is where it starts linking you to product reviews. So this is an example here of acquiring a meditation cushion. So you're going to click on it. It's going to take you to a product review in the the product review section, and this is where he actually starts reviewing the products that are listed on Amazon. And as you start clicking into them, they are going to take you to Amazon, which this is going to be his affiliate link, and this is how you get tagged, so that if you were to buy something through this link, Michael will actually get credit for the sale. So how cool is that? So that is how the site is built out. You can see also that if you scroll down here, you're going to have the traditional Amazon affiliate disclaimer, and that is going to be in the very bottom. So anytime you see this, you know instantly that the website is monetizing through Amazon, because this is a required disclaimer to have on your page, basically on every page of your site. So Amazon is going to have some requirements for you. I have actually done a really lengthy blog post and video on that to give you more information on what you need if you decide to join Amazon affiliate program. But you can see overall the site was well done, has a lot of opportunity to actually do even better, with the addition of adding more product reviews and also gear tips. So this is where you can actually make your money, and this is where you can spend a lot of time to add more keywords. Now, don't forget, you've got access to the 12-step action plan. So if you're not using that, you're missing out on a good opportunity, a free opportunity to make this work for you. So definitely check out the link below. Start on that today. Every day, take some action toward your business. And secondly, if you're interested in sort of fast tracking your way in the content arena, you can definitely check out the other link below, which is going to tell you more about the done for you content option that you have. So I am using that in my business, and it's really cool. It saves me a lot of time, because there are topics in there that make sense for my business. So if you have any questions, definitely reach out to me via the email below, or respond to the email that you're actually receiving information about this. I'll be more than happy to help you out. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.